Wireless earbuds are now more than just a music accessory. They're a statement piece, a tech necessity, and a go-to for people constantly on the move. In this video, we're putting two heavyweights head-to-head, the JBL Tour Pro 3 and Apple's AirPods Pro 2. Both offer exceptional sound quality, powerful features, and are geared toward enhancing your everyday listening experience. But which one deserves your attention? Let's dive in. When it comes to design, both the JBL Tour Pro 3 and the AirPods Pro 2 keep it clean and modern, but with their own unique twists. The JBL Tour Pro 3 is compact and stylish, available in sleek black and a new latte color. What really sets it apart is its charging case, a 1.57-inch touchscreen that lets you control playback, see incoming calls, check battery life, and even access Spotify. It's not just a case, it's a mini control hub. The AirPods Pro 2, on the other hand, stick to the familiar minimalist Apple look, now with even better durability thanks to IP54 water and dust resistance. The charging case also steps up its game with a built-in U1 chip for Apple's Find My feature, plus a speaker for location alerts. For those deep in the Apple ecosystem, this kind of integration is a game changer. Sound is where the real battle begins. The JBL Tour Pro 3 features a dual driver setup, an 11mm dynamic driver paired with a balanced armature driver, delivering deep bass and crisp highs. Audiophiles will also love the support for high-resolution audio codecs like LDAC and LC3+, which makes the finer details of your music pop. On the other side, AirPods Pro 2 rely on Apple's new H2 chip to produce a balanced, natural sound. While they don't support high-resolution codecs, they still offer an impressive, consistent sound profile across all genres. Plus, the seamless integration with Apple devices ensures the best possible audio quality with minimal latency. Both models excel in noise cancellation. The JBL Tour Pro 3 brings adaptive noise cancelling, which adjusts to your environment for optimal performance. Whether you're on a busy street or in a quiet office, these earbuds have you covered. JBL also offers spatial audio with head tracking, which enhances the experience when watching movies or listening to spatial audio tracks. The AirPods Pro 2 take noise cancellation to another level, often considered the gold standard in the industry. Apple's transparency mode allows you to stay aware of your surroundings without pulling out your earbuds, making them perfect for urban settings or casual conversations. Connectivity is a key factor when choosing wireless earbuds, and both models shine here, though with different approaches. The JBL Tour Pro 3 introduces an innovative 2.4 GHz case connection for low-latency audio, perfect for gaming or streaming. JBL's Auracast feature even allows the case to broadcast audio to other compatible earbuds nearby. The AirPods Pro 2, however, capitalize on Apple's ecosystem. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a stable connection, and features like automatic device switching make moving between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac seamless. The new USB-C charging case is an added bonus for those already in Apple's USB-C ecosystem. Battery life is crucial for any wireless earbud user. The JBL Tour Pro 3 offers a massive 10 hours of playback with noise cancellation off and an additional 30 hours from the charging case. A quick 10-minute charge gives you about 3 hours of use. In comparison, the AirPods Pro 2 offer up to 6 hours of listening with ANC on, and another 24 hours from the case. Fast charging provides an hour of listening after just 5 minutes of charging, making them perfect for quick top-ups. So, which one comes out on top? Well, that depends on your needs. If you're someone who loves tech innovations, higher audio quality, and features like a touchscreen case and dual drivers, the JBL Tour Pro 3 is a fantastic choice. It's packed with unique features that make it stand out. But if you're already deep in the Apple ecosystem and value seamless integration, top-notch noise cancellation, and excellent user experience across devices, the AirPods Pro 2 might be the better fit. Whichever you choose, you're getting a top-tier pair of wireless earbuds that deliver in all the right areas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.